paint the Bronco. We got our DeVilbiss HLVP. This is a starting line. Gonna be what we paint it with. Go check it out in the booth. We got some of the Bondo work done, body work, not a lot. We weren't putting a whole lot into it. Got it taped off. So Jose, we are going with a very unique color. It's called shale green. Kind of like an army green color. It's a little thick, so we're gonna have to water it down just a little bit more. We're gonna water it down, thin it out some more. We're using a 1.3 tip on this. I've never sprayed a car, so it should be interesting. Had a little Bondo work just to cover up some cracks and dents. Got it all. We're about to wipe it down. A little extra primer in some spots. Oh no. We'll see how it comes out. I have no idea. Alright, so with Jose's help, I think we got about 3 coats on the Bronco. She is shale green now. If you're in oil and gas, you recognize that color. But she came out pretty good. We're gonna come back in the morning and let this dry overnight. Maybe hit it with a little bit of sandpaper to smooth out some of the rough spots, but I didn't want to put a whole lot of effort into this because this is it's a 91. It's not the most collectible Bronco in the world. Yeah, it's the ugly Bronco. I'm trying not to say it, but yeah, it's the ugly Bronco. So we will see you tomorrow at Clear Coat. We out. All right, day 2 is clear coat time, but we need to take a look at the paint and see how it turned out. I know I did some sweating and there's probably a little bit of trash in it, so let's take a look. All right, here we are. So this, if you ever see something like this, that right there is what happens when you drip sweat while you paint. So we'll have to sand that out a little bit. Again, this isn't a show finish, show ready truck. It's just kind of, we wanted to make it look a cool color. So that's what we did. What do you think, Jose?
It is good.
The good parts of the part you painted? Mm-hmm. All the drips are mine, huh? I only see 2 runs. There's one, and it's small. There's one right here, a little run, little baby run. I don't even know if the camera picks up it. And I know I did that because I painted this side.
You know, that's only still was already in the primer.
Yeah, there was some runs already in the primer. But I didn't really see anything on this side, like runs wise. Oh, there's one right there, but that looks like it was our.
That's from the primer.
Yeah, that's from the primer.
Well, from the base coat.
And these parts get covered up, so that's why I didn't bother sanding them too much.
You have some cracks.
Yeah, some of the cracks were underneath. Like I said, we weren't going for show quality. I just wanted to get it a little less ugly. So we'll do a little light sanding, and we'll do a tack coat on the clear and then 2 heavy coats. Probably be good. Alrighty. So let's see how Jose fucked up the clear coat. No, we definitely had some clear coat issues. So what we did is it went on a little thick right here and it clouded up on us. So now we have to let it dry out, get a little heat on it, and it should get that fog out of there before we go putting any more on there. But it's just where we've never struck clear coat before, so it's going on a little thick. I wonder if we should go down to that 1.0 tip.
Try it with the next one?
Yeah, with the next coat. Let this heat up and dry out. But you can see, like right here, we went too thick right here and it clawed it up on us. But right there, it's fine. So we're just gonna let
Richard,
this.
Jose.
Hey, no, I didn't. Alright, so we got it all fixed up. Now she just got to sit there and dry. Got a little bit of orange peel in her, but I think it looks kind of neat to have that little bit of texture. Came out pretty smooth. Well, as smooth as we wanted to get it. So I guess we'll give it a couple days to cure, take all the tape off, and then we'll get to putting the bumpers and the mirrors and all that stuff. I mean the lights and the mirrors and all that stuff back together. But that's it for today. All right. It's all painted. What do you think, bud?
Whoa.
Whoa. Came out pretty good, huh? Now all we got to do is take all this paper off. Not too shabby. Like I said, I'm not the greatest painter in the world. Jose is definitely better than I am, but this is our first car to paint. Got a little bit of trash in it here and there, but
Oh, I'm sure something, Mama.
all right, let's take the paper off. All right, got the new headlights in. I do have a new grill ordered, so that's temporary. But yeah, other than a big dent that you couldn't see when it was primered, paint came out looking pretty good. Shiny, shiny. I think it looks pretty sweet, actually. Pretty darn good looking. So, I'm gonna get the new grill put in when it comes on. They sent me the wrong mirrors, of course, thank you, internet. So I have to wait for them to come in, and then this puppy will be done. Thinking about blacking out the front bumper, I'm not sure though. Let me know in the comments what you think about the front bumper. Let me know what you think about the color. Remember to like and subscribe, I appreciate it. Hit the bells and the dingy bell, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.